Hi there, Sarah from Glow Skin Body here. Today I'm going to talk to you about the Skin Soothing Hydrating Lotion from the Clear Start range of Dermalogica. So teenagers love the Skin Soothing Hydrating Lotion because it's lightweight and it's oil-free. There's a common myth out there that oily skin is the reason for breakouts. However, dehydration can also be a contributing factor because it triggers excess oil production in the follicle. The Skin Soothing Hydrating Lotion gives your skin the balance it needs and helping to prevent future oiliness and breakouts. It brings an instant relief to the areas of your face that feel dehydrated and really softens and nourishes the skin. Redness and sensitivity is also a common concern for teenagers, and the Skin Soothing formula will help reduce this redness and inflammation, leaving the skin feeling really calm and refreshed. So to use the Skin Soothing Hydrating Lotion, you're going to apply a small amount morning and night time after you cleanse your skin. To order the product, simply visit our website glowskinbody.com.au and you're welcome to try a free sample with your next order as well. We'll see you soon.